Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build your own ChatGPT. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, creating a ChatGPT app on Glide is an easy and straightforward process. Begin by navigating to the left menu on the Glide interface, then select the Templates option. This action will direct you to your template page where you can view all your existing templates. For more template options, click on the Template Store button. This will redirect you to the templates library. Here you will see a comprehensive collection of different templates organized into various categories for easy navigation. If you're looking for a specific template, there's a search bar at your disposal. Since our focus is creating a ChatGPT app, type in the keyword AI in the search bar. The search results will generate a list of AI-related templates. For this tutorial, let's select the Generate Text template. Clicking on it will take you to another page, where you'll see two options on the right side, Create this app and Preview. Choose the Create this app button to proceed. This action will build an app similar to ChatGPT, where you can submit prompts and receive responses. After customizing the app to your satisfaction, it's time to publish it. To do this, click on the Publish button located at the top right corner of the editor. Once the app is published, a Share button will appear in the same location. Clicking on this button gives you various options to share your app, including via QR code, link, or inviting users through their email. And there you have it, a simple guide on how to build a ChatGPT app in Glide. With these steps, you can now create an AI chatbot that can answer prompts with ease. To get started, simply sign up using the first link provided in the video description. Thank you for considering this option. I hope you found this tutorial useful and learned something new. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thanks for watching, and take care.